fryers are amazing kitchen appliances that help cook, fry, bake, and grill foods in minutes. They've become a trend lately. This is because air fryers require little to no oil to make food, presenting you with healthy meals. You probably own one at this point, or you intend to buy one soon, but you are wondering, how the heck does an air fryer work? It's quite simple. Air fryers use hot air circulation for cooking foods. The conventional way would be to submerge the food in oil. The air fryer's cooking compartment circulates heat, in hot air, from elements near the food. It has been proven to be a more efficient way of cooking food evenly in a quick time. A fan inside the cooking compartment circulates the hot air around the food. Are air-fried foods healthy? Now that you know what an air fryer is and how it cooks, you are probably wondering if meals made in these fantastic appliances are healthy for consumption. The answer is simple: yes, they are. Air-fried foods are noted to be healthier than deep-fried foods in a lot of ways. Air-fried foods are lower in fat, calories, and some harmful compounds found in deep-fried meals. So, foods made in air fryers are healthier compared to deep-fried foods. Is an air fryer worth it? We earlier answered this question, partly. However, here are a few reasons air fryers are absolutely worth each dime spent on them. 1. Cooking with air fryers reduces excess oil in meals. 2. It improves body health. 3. It cooks way faster than conventional ovens. 4. It is much easier to clean. 5. It can be used to make hundreds of recipes. 6. It requires less stress to make meals using an air fryer than other methods of cooking.